So hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a room tour of my university room. I am actually not too sure how I'm going to do this because I don't want to be able to. I don't want to show you out the window because I live on a quite high floor in a city and it will give away where I live, and I just need to keep my privacy a little bit more than that. So I'm going to try and show you as much as I can. It is realistic. I have tidied it up, obviously. It's been cleaned today. Hoovered and such and put some things away, but this is pretty much as realistic as it gets. I do actually make my bed every day. I'm a good person with that, but you know, it's not immaculate, it's realistic, and I just wanted to show you what it's like because this is actually my second to last night in halls. I am moving out, well, sort of moving out tomorrow, and then I'm moving out some more, later on after all of my field trips at the uni. So let's get straight into it because I wanted to show you it basically before I move out, and now I'm waffling, so let's go. Okay, so my door is like that. You would come in, and I've got my bathroom here and the rest of the room like this. Just walk you around so you can have a look. Like so. Storage there. Bathroom, shower. So my printer, I got this once I actually got to uni. It's this, it sucks in the paper and like turns it over itself and prints it out. It's great. Really, really like this printer, although it is quite big, and so I've had to sort of sit it on the end of my desk, and it does take up a fair bit of room, so that's something to bear in mind. But I definitely think you need a printer. Because I just print those out at university. Then I've got my coffee machine. It's an espresso Initia or something like that, I think. And I've just got some different pods for it. This is a Barista and Co thing. I got it for Christmas, I think, off Amazon. I've also got my milk frother that came with my coffee machine, and I have a water jug. It's all a bit dusty because I haven't been using it much lately, to filter the water to put in here. But actually, to be honest, I think that the water in my halls is filtered anyway because I've not got any lime scale on this. But this was just a really cheap one off Amazon. It was like £8. It's a Brita filter, and I need to change the filter in it, so I haven't been using it much. So yeah, my halls has actually got what do you call this, a pin board thing. So I've just got loads of these pins. They're from Hema. They're just like clear pins, nothing fancy. I've got a Cocker Spaniel puppy calendar that my sister got me, which makes me miss my dogs a lot. And I've just got my keys for home, and I normally have my room key like pinned on there as well. One thing I recommend is if you're going in halls, bring a key ring on the first day you move in. I did this and I was really glad I did, because all they give me is this little fob thing. Bring a key ring. That's one of my tips for moving into halls. Got some cute photos of my family, and Matt and I, we went to the Isle of Wight. I've just got this like pin to-do list thing that my sister got me. Timetable, some vouchers and things I've picked up along the year or whatever, I don't know what you call it. Receipts, spare purses, colouring pencils. One of these, this is from what's it called, that Tiger shop, and it's like a wine bottle thing, but it's like one of those ones that does a vacuum, and it does it all within this one thing. It was quite cheap, it's quite cool. Spare deodorant, loads of sugar. I'm one of those people, I collect the sugar things to use for my coffee machine because I'm cheap and I don't want to buy my own sugar. And I've just got my laptop. This is a stand from IKEA, pencil pot thing with pencils. I like to use a separate keyboard because I like to have, oh, there's a hair on there. Get rid of that. I like to have like that, and then my screen higher up because it's better for your posture. I get quite a bad back and shoulders. Keyboard, mouse, random scrunchie, not sure why that's there. I've got my chargers and stuff, and I've got my TV as a spare screen so that I can have my laptop and that together and play YouTube on it and stuff. And then I have my what do you call this? My daily planner. It's one of these from Tiger. These are really good. It's like you can print out, you can just rip out every week. So yeah, just some more photos and bits and bobs. Hand cream. I'm really enjoying this hand cream at the moment. I just picked it up in Asda and it was cheap and it's actually really nice. I don't like the smell, but the hand cream works. I also really like the Zoella one. I've got some little revision cards from an exam I had a while ago. Deborah Lippmann. Cuticle oil, periodic table. It's always useful because I can never remember what all the different elements, symbols are and stuff. Got some lipsticks. These stands are just from Primark. Again, one of these little things to remind me, the Giga, Mega, all of those 10 to the watts, and some random revision cards and things. And then around the side of my TV, I have my water bottle, which isn't always there. My number 7 mirror, which is really good. You can have it plugged in, but there wasn't a plug available near here. This brush holder, it's just from Wilko's, I really like that. And around the side I've just got a couple of DVDs, a textbook and a book from first semester, and then there's some random stuff down the back. On the wall I've got my geological timescale, and I always have a list of what's in my freezer. That's not up to date anymore, but just so that I know what I've got, so that I can just look at it and be like, oh, if I haven't got any food or anything, then I can see if there's anything ready made or in my freezer. And above my desk I have this. So yeah, this unit has got basically everything on it. I've got like my makeup. These drawers are all from Muji. All along here these are all my phase 0 things. These are some sleek lip things, some random extra things. I've got some fossils, got a quick where's it gone? Ammonite, where does it go? I've lost a bit of it, it's broken. Oh, it's there. Nice little ammonite there. And then I've got some books, some recipe books, just books I like to read. Sunglasses are up there as well, and I've got a pack of photos because I've actually got some photos stuck up around my dogs and things. Look at her, she was so small, so cute, Jessie, and little Tilly as well. And then up on the top is where I hide my alcohol. I also have my hair dryer and hair straighteners up there. Not that I've used my hair straighteners in ages. This gin, by the way, is delicious. I've got some resistance bands, my banana guard, just sort of random things I don't use quite so often. I think I've also got some more coffee pods up there. And I've got some fairy lights just along here as well, just to make it all look a bit pretty. We did get given a desk chair, and this is just my rucksack. It's just a Vans rucksack. Nothing special, but it looked a bit manky, so I just literally went into IKEA and bought a cheap blanket and just threw it on top, and I just think it looks a lot nicer. So yeah, bin, reusable bags. I have a stool because I can't reach the top of my wardrobe, so I have a stool under there, and just extra storage with like some food bits I don't use that often. Also have my nail varnishes and some other random bits and bobs down here. Like, oh, these were the drawers I used to have my makeup in up there, and then I got those for Christmas or birthday or something. And I've got my iron, I've got a plant box, my plant died, so I threw that away. Some wrapping paper and just random boxes and things. And then along here I have some plants, all from IKEA. Also have some nice rocks I've collected because I am doing a geology degree, so it'd be wrong for there not to be some rocks. And then sort of my bed area, I've got some like rucksacks. This is my bag I take on field trips for geology. My suitcase, because as I said I'm moving out soon, so I've just like to pack. This laundry basket's from Primark. It's really good. It's like nice poppy uppy ones, but it's quite a big one, so if you're a student you have to pay for your laundry. Get a big washing basket because you won't want it to be full, because that means you have to go pay to do your laundry. And a drying rack as well for my clothes. Bed. This bedding is from Matalan, I think. It's not actually my favourite one. I've hardly used it. I normally have my Dunelm Mill one. Pillows are Asda. This pillow is Primark. And then bedside table. All the furniture came with the uni, so like with the halls, so I didn't actually bring any of this furniture except like the stuff that's here. So lamp, money pot, this is just sort of like where I randomly throw everything. Tissues, I've got man-sized ones, not because I particularly like them, they just were on offer I think. And I've just got my tablet and some cookies because I made a load of cookies, so I need to eat them basically, so they're there. And then this is just like underwear, pyjamas, that sort of thing in there. I've got like one drawer of stationery here, but it's really full, and then clothes in the other two. I've also got some more fairy lights here, and we've got a light switch above the bed, which I think is really useful, but it's a really dull day at the moment, so I've got my light on all the time. Above here, I have a scent diffuser. It's the Seychelles one by the White Company. It's actually run out, but it still makes my room smell quite nice, so I'm quite pleased about that. It's lasted me since Christmas. Just got some handbags above my wardrobe and another thing. It's got like blankets, spare laundry, all of that stuff in there. And then my wardrobe itself. Open it up, it's just got loads of clothes. I did have the bottom of it organised, but it just became that. These are my like nice shoes, and then my everyday shoes are in here. That's a recycling bin. And then like got some boots and they're not flip-flops, they're slippers. They are just sat there. And then more bags, like my everyday use bags, and my jacket is there. So yeah, that's my wardrobe. Not very interesting. I do have a mirror here, which isn't really full length, which like you can sort of see full length, but not quite, so it's kind of annoying. And then bathroom, I've just got this thing. I think it's for shoes. I'm not sure where I got it from. My mum bought it and then didn't need it, so she gave it to me. These kinds of door hanging storage things are really useful because I've just got like hair stuff, moisturizers, little sample products, you know, hair removal stuff, and wires in the top one. And then once you come in the bathroom, on the other side, I have a other hanger because there's not very much storage for towels and stuff here. Like we've got that route, that, and that's it. So this was from Asda. I haven't even taken the tag off, literally. It's not good. But yeah, I've got these hanging cotton pad things from Primark. They're really useful because you open the bottom and then they just hang like that. So they take me ages to go through and they're 90p. Got my towel turban thing, which I love. And then another useful thing you can get for your bathroom, if your bathroom is like mine, it's like a plasticky wall, these sticky baskets add storage. So I've got this of like my toothbrush and everything in. Mirror, sink, cleaning stuff, sanitary stuff. Lovely toilet. I probably should have closed the toilet lid. No one wants to see my toilet. And then I've just got all of my products and my door. Needs some bloody oil in it or something. It's starting to make an awful noise. Shower. Again, not much shower storage, so I've got some stuff on the floor and just a little scrunchy thing. There is like a hanging clothes hanger thing in there, but one of the screws, the hooks, is broken, so I can't really use it. So yeah, and obviously like extractor fan, all of that interesting stuff. My towels are all from what are they from? Tesco. If you're interested, where's the label? There's got to be a label somewhere. What is this noise? That is the details. So yeah, that is absolutely everything. If there's anything I haven't mentioned and you want to know where it's from, just shout and I will reply to your comments. Hopefully I'll get this video up fairly soon, but it's exam season at the moment. I've just finished an exam, so bear with me to get this uploaded. But yeah, thank you. So, oh, let's switch around, this is weird. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if there's any other videos you want me to do university related. I have got a couple in mind. I do want to do like a halls experience, first year experience, all of that. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!